Die already! Kaylee! Do you know how much force this is? Kaylee! Dude! You better not come back up. Stop it! Kaylee, tell him to stop living!
Stop living! You don't want him to die, you just want to knock him out.
I just want to die. Oh. No, we don't care. We have to get a break first. Die! Whoa there. Yeah! Please stay down. 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 Yeah, what now, sucker? Look at me.
Ready to dance?
Look at me.
Ready to dance? Don't push A.
Yeah, yeah. What do I do?
I'm still putting this on Facebook.
Now what?
You wanna play again or?
No!
Go to quit and then change to me. Watch mine, guys. It's not gonna come.
You better come up.
Oh, goddamn it. You're mean. Well, that was a good punch.
Just imagine if we were actually boxing.
That'd be terrible. Stop! Come on, he should be knocked out by now. No! No! Please be out.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm gonna kill this guy. Hurry! I don't want to go to round 2. I have to knock him out in the next 13 seconds. He's gonna kill me, dude!
Round 2.
Hoy y mañana. Hoy y mañana. Las 3:30 para adelante.